Hello. Welcome to this video on skincare business startups and goal setting. Starting a skincare business may be exhilarating as well as difficult. With so many different products and rivals on the market, it can be tough to know where to start. On the other hand, setting clear and attainable goals, on the other hand, can boost your chances of success and turn your dream of having a profitable skincare business into a reality. Identifying your target market is the first step in defining goals for your skincare business. Who do you think your ideal consumers are? What are their preferences and needs? Once you have a firm grasp of your target market, you can begin developing products to meet their specific requirements. The next stage is to establish attainable financial objectives. How much cash do you have? Developing a marketing strategy is another critical component of goal setting for skincare startups. How will you reach your target market? What channels will you use to promote your products? Setting specific marketing objectives will help you determine the best strategies to reach your clients and raise brand awareness. How frequently will you release new products? What new substances or technologies will you add to your products? Setting specific product development and innovation goals can help you remain ahead of the competition and keep your clients engaged and interested in your business. Finally, setting clear and attainable goals is critical for the success of any skincare business startup. By determining your target market, it is critical to establish goals for product development and innovation. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.